All right, we're getting ready to wall mount an 85-inch television. So this is the wall mount that we got. This was available at Best Buy. I can put the link to it in the description. I think this was around 150 bucks. They actually have one of these on display. It seems to move out pretty good. It tilts down and from side to side just a little bit, which is going to work out perfect on this wall right here for what we need. I did pop this open so that I could get together some tools, just kind of see what's there. But this is what you'll see. They give you an instruction manual. They actually give you a template here to put on your wall so that you know where to drill your holes. All right, and then this is inside of the box, just like anything else. They give you these are all the different screws that you would need to screw into the television. So there's 4 of each size, different lengths. They give you a bunch of different washers and some spacers to make it a universal mount for different televisions. All right, over here, they give you 4, I don't know, what do you call it, thread certs, and then they give you these long lags. They give you an Allen key, which I'm not quite sure what that is for. These ones are all Phillips. Here is one of the mounts. Here's the other mount kit. And the main frame part here. But this is what the box looks like here real quick too. They give you some instructions. You can do these little scans and watch installation videos on this also. That is provided by the manufacturer. All right, so here's everything. Laid out. I'm going to get everything adjusted, set out. I'm going to review my manual here real quick. And I'm going to lay out center here on my wall and show you what that looks like. Best Buy Black Friday deal. This one came with free delivery. I think this was listed like 400 bucks off. This is the Sony Bravia XR. It's the full array LED. It's the X90K 85-inch. All right. So this is the unboxing. Basically, they give you a little instruction thing up here. Basically, we got to cut this open. All right, so we're going to open this up. Come around here. Okay, so there we go. We got our top flaps open. We'll fold them back. In the top, it looks like we have a stand over here. We have a stand on this side. We have an instruction manual. The remote is right here. Take a look at what we got. Okay, so here is our step-by-step guide. Over here behind me, we can see what's going on. That way it's level. There is our cord. It looks like they give you your batteries are in here. Like mounting pegs maybe for feet and some other information. Okay, so step 1, step 2, they want you to lift the box up. So we're going to get set up. Both of us are going to be picking this up. Can you got more? No. I'm hitting the ceiling right here. You gotta get one. All right, that's out of the way for now. Step 3, we're going to be removing, I guess, the rest of the styrofoam that's around it, everything except for that is on the base. Alright. Now, they have these little flaps up here. Looks like they actually have some tape around it on the bottom, so grab this. Did you do it?
I'm not.
No? Alright, so we got everything unboxed. I did put a blanket down so I had something soft to sit on. We're busy working on getting this thing mounted up. You have to do this, or they say like lay it flat, but I'm not laying this flat. We got these pieces on. This is the hanger. So these kind of like, they'll swivel out. There's no way to get that there. So right here is where we're going. We're going to get it up. We're going to set it onto this, and then we're going to work it onto that. Google TV. All right, so the television is completely mounted. I'll give you an up-close walk around so you can check out the stand. Being what it is, learning the Google TV was something new. They come through and they tell you a bunch of different things. There's a lot of different features. Used to using Roku television, so it's been a learning experience now that the television has been mounted for a week. I did just download this app, so I mean I'm learning something new with this television almost every day here now. So there you go, Maps Need for Speed. Very different compared to the Roku, but I actually like it. Pretty much shows everything here. And here we go. I mean, this is what this thing looks like pretty up close. There is the wall mount. Let's try to get a little bit more light in here. Okay, we got good light. So there's the wall mount. We had to tighten the screws here on the bottom to lock it in. It just hooked right in, went right on. Right now, here's your power cord. I'm sure we could have that set up something different. I had this old TV stand, so this kind of just does work for now. Let's take a look on the other side. There you go. There's the back side of the television. There's where all of your inputs are. All right. This thing does move in and out here pretty good. We did have it tilted a little bit. Right now I'm using a Samsung soundbar that I got the other year because I was actually looking at getting a Samsung television, but for the price, the Sony seemed to be offer a whole lot more. It does power on the soundbar when you turn on the television. You can search stuff. This is kind of what comes up. All my apps, just learning different things, stuff that comes up on YouTube, some of the other television shows that I've been watching. It pretty much has everything right in one place. Live. So you can go in here and you can start adding stuff for that. Here's different movies that you can go in and open up right along. It kind of goes through and it kind of picks up some of the stuff that you have. Being that I already have YouTube, it does pick up some of the stuff as far as that goes. Here are some of the apps that you can add. Right now, I don't have any library open for anything. Here's the Sony stuff. I can register my television for extra added benefits. Overall, what I can say about this television is, one, it's really large. It was quite a challenge to get mounted. I would recommend getting help. Maybe 3 people would be ideal, or just have someone come in and mount it. I have a pretty good knowledge as far as what's going on how to do all that stuff, as you can see in the video. Lifting it up and getting it mounted was probably the most challenging part. As they say, not to grip and push on your screen, so you have to, carefully pick up, as you can see that we did. So there was no damage done to the television. I have plans on not actually keeping this in this room. I'm actually going to put a little movie room in another area of the house, but we're waiting on that to get finished. But there is your unboxing of the Sony television. I'll put the link for this and the TV mount in the description. Both things came from Best Buy. Very nice television, very different television. Learning the new operating system has been enjoyable so far. Everything seems to be working out. The remote is very nice. Just actually speaking into it. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania weather.
Right now in Harrisburg, it's 27 degrees and sunny. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 29 and a low of 17. Due to current wind conditions, it feels like it's 19.
So there you go. This TV can do all kinds of cool things. And with that,